Hello and welcome. This is a channel to help you learn English in a simple and natural way. In this video, you will listen to English slowly and clearly. You don't need to understand every word. Just relax, listen, and follow the ideas. English is learned with time, patience, and practice. Let's begin. In this video, we will learn about small steps and big results. Many people believe that big results come from big actions. They think change must be fast, strong, and very visible. Because of this, they often wait for the perfect moment to start. But real progress usually begins in a much quieter way. It starts with small steps that feel simple and almost unimportant. Understanding this idea can completely change how we grow. Small steps are actions that are easy to start and easy to repeat. They do not require a lot of energy or time. This makes them more realistic in daily life. When something is simple, it feels less heavy and less scary. You are more likely to begin and continue. This is why small steps are powerful from the very start. One small step may not show a result immediately. This is why many people stop too early. They look for fast changes and do not see them. But progress does not always show itself right away. Small steps work slowly under the surface. They prepare the ground for bigger changes in the future. Small steps also help build confidence. When you complete a small action, you prove something to yourself. You prove that you can start and that you can continue. This creates a positive feeling and a sense of control. Confidence grows not from big wins, but from repeated small actions. Over time, this confidence becomes very strong. Another important part of small steps is consistency. It is easier to repeat a small action every day. You do not need special motivation or perfect conditions. You only need to show up and do a little. This repetition creates rhythm and stability. Consistency turns small steps into a system that works for you. Small steps also reduce fear and pressure. Big goals can feel heavy and overwhelming. They can make people feel stuck before they even begin. Small steps feel safe and manageable. They allow movement without stress. This makes progress feel possible instead of painful. Over time, small steps begin to connect with each other. One small action supports the next one. What was difficult before starts to feel normal. Your capacity slowly increases without force. This natural growth is strong because it is built slowly. It does not depend on motivation or excitement. Small steps are especially important when learning new skills. Learning something new takes time and patience. Trying to do too much too fast often leads to frustration. A small daily action keeps the connection alive. It helps the brain learn patterns naturally. This makes learning more comfortable and effective. Many big results in life are simply the result of time plus small steps. People often see the result but not the process. They see success, but not the daily actions behind it. This can create unrealistic expectations. Understanding the value of small steps brings clarity. It reminds us that growth is built, not rushed. Small steps also teach trust in the process. You learn to act without needing immediate results. You learn to focus on direction instead of speed. This mindset is useful in many areas of life. It creates patience and long-term thinking. These qualities support lasting change. In conclusion, small steps may look weak, but they are not. They are steady, reliable, and sustainable. They do not ask for perfection or speed. They ask for presence and repetition. When small steps are done every day, they lead to results that are bigger than expected.